So today I'm making two meals at one time, putting the corned beef brisket in the crock pot and making salmon sandwiches. And they can be sliders or bigger, whatever you have. Be sure that you check for bones for small children. When you're out and about, you're running errands and the kids are like, I'm hungry, I'm hungry. Resist the urge to stop at those fast food restaurants. It's a whole bunch of junk. And by the time you finish running your errands, even if you got that chicken nugget meal or that happy meal or that big kids meal, whatever it may be, your kids are going to be hungry by the time you get home. So resist the urge, practice self-control, teach your children self-control, and sometimes, for smaller children, take snacks. Make peanut butter honey or peanut butter and banana or peanut butter and, or, almond butter, cashew butter, whatever you use, right? Just look, keep it simple. Back to basics. Stop eating out at fast food restaurants. You don't know what's in there. They do not have to disclose bioengineered foods according to USDA. So you want to eat at home. My kids were out and saying, look, we're hungry. And I was like, okay, here's what we can do. We can grab like a sushi. We'll share it as long as it doesn't have crab or shrimp in it. And then we'll get our meal at home, but I'll give you that fast food feel because I know that they make it look good and tempting. And so, sometimes you just gotta with small children, no, you can make this at home. So, all right, here we go.